Welcome. Part 2 of cocktail box unboxing. Why not? Some more arrived in the mail, so I felt it would be remiss of me to not include these in the unboxing. I've totally forgotten who left, so I'm going to be excited as you are to unbox these. So let's get into it. Right, this is definitely solidly sealed. It's got like a security seal. Here we go. In one go. Right. Ooh. We're treated to a piece of artwork. I still can't remember the name of this cocktail delivery service. It's got some purple woman with a nose pin. Not that I'm against nose pins, but anyway. Right, it's got cocktail recipes on the back, what I can expect. Schofield's, created by two brothers in London for two brothers in Manchester. Oh, here we go. Astley Brothers Cocktail Club. Blanco and Spice. Suggested serve here. Ooh, look at this. We have QR code. It's a non-standard QR code, quite sexy if you ask me, but we know how difficult some phones find them to scan. And upon an opening, the first thing I'm presented with is some Torres Selecta black truffle potato chips. We got a pouch of Vivir, a cute little sample size. I think perhaps this is a little brand promo that I didn't order, but they added a little sample in the box for you to try. Try before you buy. Nice little touch by the brands, if that's the case. Here we go. Let's get rid of this. We're presented here with 4 pouches. And there's that woman again. I think she's going to haunt me in my dreams, but quite attractive as pouches go, I guess. Unless, like me, you find this one a bit disturbing. On the backs, we've got the name of the cocktail. I'm just seeing if they're the same. They're all identical. Vivir, Tequila, Blanco, Campari, Chocolate Bitters. So I think these are individual serves. Judging by the size, they're a bit small for 2. Single serves, 100 ml of the same drink. Right. What else we got here? Got some nice chocolates, truffles, hazelnuts, and milk. Dark chocolates. Oh, what's this? Mystery Amaro. Let's go back to. And nothing to do with that, but there's a Mystery Amaro. Yeah, it says scan the QR code to access the members area. Perhaps this Mystery Amaro will be revealed. It's a long tail. Island Spice. Chinotto, Gentian and Spice. For a simple tequila and mixer serve, and they're calling this the Blanco and Spice. While I'm here, I may as well do a little scan of the QR code. Here we go. Let's see if it takes you to somewhere specific. Here we go. Members area. You jump straight to a lot of information, and I'm guessing if you're the brand, you'll love this. Right at the top, it just tells you ingredients. Thank you. Yeah, there's a lot of blah. I guess pouring this over ice isn't particularly hard. It shows you what it looks like in the flesh. Oh, it says Valentino, and it does actually say Valentino in the bottom. That's the wrath of the squiggly, scripty text. When it's really hard to discern the text, you just zone it out and you don't realize what it says. But the name of this cocktail is Valentino. It's a Valentine's box, I guess. I didn't think I ordered the Valentine's box. It feels quite Valentine-y with the chocolates. The mystery Amaro, I'm guessing is just a sample because, again, without me going into detail, I don't know what to do with this mystery Amaro apart from open it and drink it. I know he doesn't like a bag of chips. Right, that's Astili. Put this back in here. What do we have next? So, up next, we have Taste Cocktails. Got a feeling this is a cocktail kit. Let's have a look. Taste Cocktails, margaritas. Good drinks, good times, handmade. All right, let's do this. Let's do this. Welcome to the club. So, in the box, there will be 3 margaritas, the classic margarita, the Tommy's margarita, and then the $1 Million margarita. I'll jump straight to $1 Million margarita. Created in the early 2000s in Maison 140 Hotel in LA apparently. It was on the menu for $41 rather than $1 Million. Shame. It's tequila, Grand Marnier, and fresh lime juice. Okay, is that it? All right. That's the $1 Million margarita. No QR code, various handwritten, well, various links in the back. Let's have a look. Here we go. So they're presented in nice little taste, tequila, this is the agave nectar, triple sec. So yeah, it's all really cute. Something to compare ourselves against for our margarita box, cocktail making box. They don't supply the fresh lime juice, so again, no perishables. And I'm not sure how I feel about not everything being present in here. Obviously, you can store these for forever, but maybe in the packing you want to chuck in the lime juice. I don't know. We'll see. We'll get some feedback in the comments maybe about this one. So that's the margarita box. This is the second box on taste. What do we have? Oh, here we go. Espresso martini kit. Good drinks, good times, handmade. All right. Again, very identical in terms of format. Small bottles, large bottles, cardboard box. We got the vodka. We got the coffee liqueur. Here we got amaretto, and we got hazelnut liqueur. So I'm guessing I'll open this up. 3 variations, a little bit history on the espresso martini, and similarly it's quoting Dick Bradsell's Asked by Customer. Everyone thinks it's that famous model, to wake me up and then fuck me up. I think we weren't allowed to use that famous model's name. Similarly, her name has been omitted from this video. So we've got the espresso martini Cup of Joe, which is twisted hazelnut liqueur and toasted almond. Again, this one is supposed to have almond milk in it. No almond milk provided. You can get long life almond milk, so again, perhaps they should have provided that. I feel if I'm given a kit, I want everything. What I would stop maybe at fresh garnish, but who knows. Anyway, that's your espresso martini kit. So what do we have next? So what do we have here? The drinks drop. So this company provides us with cocktails from London's and Manchester's top bars. It's a one-stop shop, the drinks drop, to be able to buy cocktails from a variety of bars, from selected bars and restaurant bars in London and Manchester. So from memory, I just picked some of my favourite go-to bars in London, I believe. So let's have a look. We're presented with a winter menu, and this looks like all the available cocktails. 24 cocktails in here, from the likes of Liars Club, Swift, Hawksmoor, Schofield's Bar, Satan's Whisker, Lackey Cane, Coupette, Crazy Pedro's, Black Rock, Artisan, Happiness Forgets, The Hyde Bar, Cottonopolis, Trail of Happiness. The list goes on. Some top bars, as you would agree, on there. So all these are presented in pouches, the same colourful pouches, with the cocktail name and the bar they came from on the front. When I turn them over, you've got more information on the ingredients. It's got serving suggestion, ABV, 135 ml in here, so 2 portions. Keep refrigerated, may contain traces of nuts, like everything in this world. And a cute little QR code. So I'm gonna zoom on in over. Right, so these QR codes are quite small, you know, and I don't have a particularly naff camera. S21 whatever S. Yeah, I am having problems. There you go. I'm confronted with one of these I find so annoying, and I always put in a random. Okay, so it takes me to the drink, and each drink's got a little video in there. So this one's Satan's Whiskers, Brigadoon.
It's a combination of Johnny Walker Black Label, apricot liqueur, some fresh lemon juice, and some orgeat, which is an almond syrup.
Short but sweet. I thought there was going to be a little bit more to that video, but there you have it. That's the video. Is it a missed opportunity? Or maybe it was quite deliberate in the format. It was just a little taster. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to tasting these ones. I won't bore you with the exact cocktails. You can find out for yourself. So what's this at the bottom? Please return your used pouches in this free post envelope, and we'll take care of recycling for you. That is next level, I would say. I have commented on the fact on how very few cocktail delivery boxes are talking about the environment and recycling. Some might mention that they try and reduce packaging, but nevertheless, there's a hell of a lot of packaging considering what you're getting. But that's a nice little touch. Costing a second class stamp and the cost of this bag, that's probably priceless in terms of current woke generation, I guess. I don't know, I can't believe I just slipped that expression in there, but here you go. The drinks drop. Very nice unboxing experience. So let's see what we got next.